Hi and welcome to Let's Cook, a recipe close to my heart, filled with memories. Let's cook the ever popular and versatile chow mein. The term chow mein, which translates to stir-fried noodles, had journeyed across the globe with each country infusing its own unique cultural twist and flavors into this classic dish. During our growing up days, eating out was a special occasion, reserved exclusively for festive celebrations. I have a vivid memory from my childhood of one such festive day. My brother and I, usually reluctant to eat our veggies, were happily devouring platefuls of veggie-packed chow mein. We were so engrossed in the delicious noodles that we didn't even notice our mother's bemused stare. It's funny how a dish as simple as chow mein can make us forget our usual food preferences, isn't it? Now here comes the soul of the recipe, the sauce. I'm about to share with you a secret formula, one that I picked up from a cherished local roadside store. The perfect balance of fat, salt, acid and sweetness. In our recipe, soy sauce brings the salty element, rice vinegar adds the perfect acidic touch, and the sweet and fat components are masterfully combined in the tomato ketchup. I have pre-chopped the veggies for convenience. Another invaluable lesson I learned from the local roadside stall is the art of timing. Knowing precisely when to add each ingredient. Ensure your wok is sizzling hot before you begin. Add oil followed by minced garlic and chilies, stirring them in the heated oil. As you pour in the sauce, the aromatic blend of garlic and chilies will waft through the air, evoking nostalgic memories of childhood chow mein. Now, simply add your veggies, stir them frequently, and be careful not to overcook them. Back to that memorable day. There we were, my brother and I, eagerly digging into plates of delicious chow mein, a dish we typically only enjoy during festive times. It's funny how at that moment, surrounded by the joy and laughter of our extended family, we completely forgot our usual aversion to vegetables. We were so engrossed in savoring every bite of the noodle dish that our mother's amused stare didn't even register. Fast forward to today, I realize I am not so different. Just like those festive days, I find myself drawn to the kitchen, recreating those flavors that define my childhood. Now, with the liberty to enjoy as much chow mein as we wish, we have come to understand that it's the people around us who truly enrich these moments. It's a gentle reminder to cherish and appreciate the presence of our loved ones. I hope you have enjoyed this little glimpse into my life and the stories behind the dishes we cherish. Your support means the world to me. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more recipes and stories.